Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinars, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key of enhancing our performances and for our growth as professionals. With this principle in mind, TechGeek has initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to get a crisp insight of various domains. Today's webinar is 12th in the series and will give insights into HTML5, CSS3, and offline apps. Our guest speaker today is Shwetank Dikshit, web evangelist at Opera Software. Shwetank works as a web evangelist. He is also part of the W3C Mobile Web for Social Development Group and the Web Standards Project International License Group. He is co-steering Opera's Open the Website Compatibility project, which involves working with the biggest web properties in the world and ensuring with them and advising better coding methodologies. He is also involved in evangelism of open web standards and represents Opera Software in various events, seminars, and conferences. His main interests and expertise include present and upcoming web standards, best practices for accessible design and mobile development, as well as the social impact of mobile technology. He is an avid writer, and his interviews and articles have been published in various leading newspapers and technology magazines. This presentation will continue for the next 45 minutes, and we will take your questions in the last 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, you can post your queries on techgeek.com or through the chat available in webinar software. Without further ado, I introduce to you our guest speaker, Shwetank.
Hello. So
Yes,
I
Shwetank.
guess you guys can hear me.
Yes, Shwetank.
Good. So I just want to check whether my screen is available. It's being
Yeah, we can see your
not?
screen.
Good. So yes, welcome everyone. This presentation would be about HTML5, and not just HTML5, but as I said in the software in the presentation, HTML5 and friends, which basically means HTML5 is not just one technology. It's a combination of different things. But the HTML5 specification is just one thing, and the other standards around it are kind of like their friends, and they all work together to achieve the web of the future. So that's what we're going to talk about. The HTML5 specification, as well as other related technologies and how they will be useful to us. This presentation might take longer than 45 minutes, or might even take a little bit less than 45 minutes. But either way, just feel free to post your questions, and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. So let's start. And before that, I just want to check whether this is working. Can you see the whole slide? I guess not. So okay, I'll just do it like this. So as Bharat has introduced me, I work for Opera Software, and I work as a web evangelist for Opera Software in the developer relations team. It's actually I've been working here for about 3 or 4 years now, 4 years, and I'm also part of the W3C Mobile Web for Social Development Group. On Twitter, my name, it's just my ID, Shwetank. And if in any case you want any kind of extra answers to your questions, you can just email me at shwetankd@opera.com. Right? So the first thing I want to talk about is the fact that there's so many technologies. Can you see the slide properly?
Yeah, we can see that.
The whole slide? Okay. That's good. So as you can see, there are plenty of technologies for you to learn as a front-end developer. You have SML, you have SVG, you have the DOM, you have JavaScript, CSS. You have so many things to learn, right? And this isn't even a complete list. The number of technologies that the W3C is working on, this is just a very, very small subset. Right? So, but these are just the essential things that you're supposed to learn, and which is very, very important. As a front-end developer, you have to pick and choose which technologies you want to specialize in, right? Which is kind of like a challenge, because there's so many things to pick from and so many things to learn that sometimes you get overwhelmed. So with this presentation, I wanted to focus on the stuff which is really, really cool, the stuff that you really should learn about, because even a few months down the line, you will really, really need it. So the first thing is that I'll be talking about the stuff that I find really cool, which is first HTML5. So when I talk about HTML5,